Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'll be showing y'all some behind the scenes. Today I'm taking photos of my products. I'm taking new photos of my products for my new website. I don't know if you've seen my website, but it's been relaunched. It's beautiful and it could use some new photos. So that's what I'm about to do. I've been kind of overwhelmed and a little stressed. Yesterday I took the day off to get my head together because the night of Tuesday, election day, really stressed me out, and I was even more stressed out Wednesday morning. But you know, I always lean on the serenity prayer. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference, right? With that being said, I did my part. It didn't come out in my favor. Life moves on. It is what it is, and we'll do what we gotta do, period, as usual, as we do. But anyway, back to today's agenda. I'll be taking photos, and you guys will just see some behind the scenes, just so you guys know, like, I do pretty much everything, almost everything. So I do have a consultant who helps me greatly, right? I have a teenager who's an independent contractor. She comes in and she helps me create boxes. She helps me label the products, and she helps with shipments in that way. But the day-to-day, the content creation, 99% of the shipments, the customer service, all of that, the website maintenance and all that, everything is on me. And today, one of the hats that I'll be wearing is photographer. So I'm in the kitchen, and let me show you what I have going on. The material here is a lot like this backdrop that I have. So I'm going for like a seamless look. You'll see. I'm gonna prop the camera up now and watch me do my thing. Oh, but I'm actually filming on the camera that I'll be using to take my official photos. So you'll see me filming with my phone for some like content for social media. But I'm gonna need this camera to actually take the real photos, all right? So here I am in my kitchen setting up. I just went over the photos that I took. I'm not very happy with them, but truly, I'm never very happy with my product photography. I'm not a photographer. I'm not. I don't really have all of the cool lights and all the cool setups and the right lenses and everything, you know. I'm using my vlog camera to take these pictures, but sometimes you have to do what you gotta do. I don't recommend that you wear all the hats. If you are in position where you can have multiple staff members, or you can outsource help as needed, do that. And I usually do, but I have to just make wiser decisions from time to time. You know, each month is different in business, so you kind of have to move accordingly. And yeah, so I'm in a position where I'm good, but if I want to grow and be able to have staff, I need to elevate some more. So help a sister out and help yourself out in the process. Organic Urban Fuse Hair Care, okay? We have our pre-Black Friday sale going on right now. So definitely shop. We have products up to 85% off. See what's on sale. Here's my flyer, and I hope to see you on my website, KeishaCharmaine.com. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.